Have you ever dreamed of earning passive income online? The world of ebooks offers an incredible opportunity to turn your knowledge and passions into a profitable venture. Imagine readers from around the globe enjoying your work while you earn royalties, all from the comfort of your own home. This dream can become a reality with Google Play Books, a platform with a vast reach and a simple, user-friendly interface. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the steps to create, publish, and profit from your very own ebook. Whether you're an aspiring author, a subject matter expert, or simply someone with valuable insights to share, ebooks provide a powerful medium to connect with a global audience. Unlike traditional publishing, which often involves gatekeepers and lengthy processes, self-publishing on platforms like Google Play Books empowers you to take control of your creative journey. You have the freedom to choose your topics, set your own pace, and reap the rewards of your hard work. But how do you get started? Don't worry, we've got you covered. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, from brainstorming winning ebook ideas to optimizing your listings for maximum visibility. We'll explore the power of AI tools like ChatGPT to streamline your writing process and unlock your creative potential. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey to ebook success. This is your chance to join the ranks of successful self-published authors who are earning a living by sharing their knowledge and passion with the world. Let's dive in and turn your ebook dreams into a reality. Before you embark on your ebook creation journey, you need to establish your presence on Google Play Books. This is where Google Book Partner comes in, your one-stop shop for publishing and selling your ebooks to a global audience. Think of it as your virtual storefront on the world's largest digital bookstore. Setting up your Google Book Partner account is a breeze, and we'll guide you through the process step by step. First, head over to the Google Book Partner website and click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one already, creating a new account is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Google Book Partner dashboard. This intuitive interface will become your command center for managing your ebooks, tracking sales, and interacting with readers. Next, you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself or your publishing entity. This includes your name or business name, contact details, and payment information. Google Play Books offers various payout options, so you can choose the method that works best for you. Once you've filled out the necessary details, take some time to familiarize yourself with the different sections of your dashboard. Explore the various tabs, such as book catalog, promotions, and reports. Each section provides valuable tools and insights to help you succeed as an ebook author. Congratulations! You've now taken the first step towards becoming a published author on Google Play Books. With your account set up, you're ready to dive into the exciting world of ebook creation and connect with readers worldwide. Now that you have your Google Book Partner account ready, it's time to brainstorm winning ebook ideas. The key to attracting a wide audience and generating substantial sales lies in selecting topics that resonate with readers. One effective strategy is to tap into current trends and capitalize on subjects that are generating buzz online. This is where Google Trends becomes your secret weapon. Google Trends is a free tool that allows you to analyze the popularity of search terms over time. By simply entering a keyword or phrase related to your niche, you can gain valuable insights into what people are searching for. For example, if you're passionate about healthy cooking, you can use Google Trends to identify trending diets, popular ingredients, or common cooking challenges that people are seeking solutions for. However, it's important to strike a balance between riding the wave of current trends and selecting topics that have long-term appeal. While capitalizing on short-lived fads might generate quick sales, focusing on evergreen topics ensures that your ebook remains relevant and continues to attract readers over time. Evergreen topics typically revolve around fundamental concepts, skills, or interests that remain consistent regardless of passing trends. By combining the power of Google Trends with your own knowledge and passions, you can identify winning ebook topics that have both short-term profit potential and long-term staying power. Remember, the goal is to create content that provides value to your readers and addresses their needs, whether it's helping them solve a problem, learn a new skill, or explore a fascinating subject. Many aspiring authors find themselves overwhelmed by the prospect of writing an entire ebook. The blank page can feel daunting, and the pressure to produce high-quality content can be paralyzing. What if there was a way to streamline the writing process, overcome writer's block, and unlock your creative potential? Enter ChatGPT, an AI-powered language model that can revolutionize your ebook writing journey. ChatGPT acts as your virtual writing assistant, capable of generating engaging and informative content on a wide range of topics. Simply provide it with clear and specific prompts and watch as it crafts coherent and well-structured text. For instance, if you're writing an ebook about healthy breakfast recipes, you could ask ChatGPT to generate 5 creative breakfast recipes using chia seeds that are under 300 calories. But ChatGPT's capabilities extend far beyond just generating recipes or simple text. It can help you outline your ebook, create chapter summaries, develop compelling introductions and conclusions, and even translate your content into different languages. By leveraging the power of AI, you can overcome writer's block, save valuable times, and focus on refining your ideas and crafting a compelling narrative. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the user's skill and creativity. While ChatGPT can generate impressive content, it's crucial to review, edit, and infuse your own voice and style into the final product. Think of ChatGPT as your writing partner, collaborating with you to bring your ebook vision to life. Section 5. Crafting a captivating ebook. Cover with Canva in the crowded digital marketplace of ebooks, first impressions are everything. Your ebook cover is the virtual storefront that entices potential readers to click, explore, and ultimately make a purchase. A visually appealing and professionally designed cover can make all the difference in attracting attention and conveying the essence of your ebook's content. Fortunately, you don't need to be a graphic design guru or hire an expensive professional to create a stunning ebook cover. Canva, a user-friendly online design platform, empowers anyone to unleash their inner artist and craft eye-catching visuals. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, vast library of templates and extensive collection of stock photos, illustrations, and fonts, Canva makes ebook cover design a breeze. To get started, simply create a free Canva account and browse through their extensive library of ebook cover templates. Choose a template that aligns with your ebook's genre and target audience. Then customize it to your liking. Experiment with different color schemes, font pairings, and visual elements to create a cover that reflects your ebook's unique style and tone. Consider incorporating relevant imagery that captures the essence of your content, whether it's a captivating photograph, an abstract illustration, or a bold typographic layout. Remember, your ebook cover should be visually appealing, informative, and memorable. It should pique readers' curiosity and compel them to learn more about your ebook. Invest the time and effort to create a cover that you're proud to showcase, as it will play a crucial role in attracting readers and driving sales. Section 6. From manuscript to marketplace. Uploading your ebook. With your ebook content complete and your eye-catching cover designed, it's time to package your masterpiece and prepare it for the digital marketplace. This step involves formatting your manuscript, converting it to the appropriate file format, and uploading it to your Google Book Partner account. First, ensure that your manuscript is thoroughly edited and proofread. Typos, grammatical errors, and formatting inconsistencies can detract from the reading experience and reflect poorly on your ebook's quality. Once your content is polished, you'll need to format it according to Google Play Books guidelines. This typically involves using a standard font like Times New Roman or Arial, setting appropriate margins, and ensuring consistent chapter headings and page numbering. Next, you'll need to convert your formatted manuscript into a PDF or portable document format file. PDFs are universally compatible and preserve the formatting of your document, ensuring that it appears as intended across different devices. Most word processing software, such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs, offer built-in options to export your document as a PDF. Now comes the exciting part: uploading your ebook to Google Play Books. Log into your Google Book Partner account and navigate to the Add Book section. You'll be prompted to provide essential details about your ebook, including the title, subtitle, author name, description, genre, and target audience. Ensure that you fill out all the required fields accurately and comprehensively, as this information plays a crucial role in making your ebook discoverable by potential readers. Finally, upload your ebook's PDF file and your captivating cover image. Review all the information carefully before submitting your ebook for review. Google Play Books will review your submission to ensure it meets their content and quality standards. Once approved, your ebook will be live on the Google Play Store, ready to captivate readers worldwide. Section 7. Pricing for profit. Setting the right price for your ebook. Determining the right price for your ebook is a crucial step in maximizing your earning potential while remaining competitive in the marketplace. Pricing too high might deter potential readers, while pricing too low could undervalue your hard work and limit your profits. Striking the right balance involves considering various factors, including your ebook's length, genre, target audience, and the perceived value it offers. Start by researching the pricing of similar ebooks within your niche. Browse through Google Play Books and other ebook retailers to get a sense of the prevailing price range for comparable titles. Consider the length and complexity of your ebook. Longer, more comprehensive ebooks generally command higher prices than shorter, more specialized ones. Next, factor in your target audience and their purchasing behavior. Are you targeting budget-conscious readers or those willing to invest in premium content? Understanding your audience's price sensitivity can help you determine an appropriate price point. It's also crucial to consider the perceived value your ebook offers. Does it provide unique insights, solve a specific problem, or offer actionable advice? High-value ebooks that deliver exceptional content and tangible benefits often justify higher price points. Remember that Google Play Books and other ebook retailers typically take a percentage of each sale as a commission. Factor in these fees when determining your ebook's price to ensure you're earning a reasonable profit margin. Experiment with different pricing strategies to find the sweet spot that maximizes your earnings. Consider offering promotional discounts or running limited-time offers to entice readers and boost sales. Regularly monitor your ebook's performance and adjust your pricing strategy as needed to stay competitive and optimize your revenue. Section 8. Amplify your sales marketing your ebook. Congratulations on publishing your ebook on Google Play Books. Now it's time to spread the word and attract eager readers to your masterpiece. Effective ebook marketing involves implementing a multifaceted approach that encompasses various strategies to reach your target audience. Start by optimizing your ebook's listing on Google Play Books. Craft a compelling and keyword-rich description that accurately reflects your ebook's content and entices readers to learn more. Select relevant categories and keywords to ensure your ebook appears in relevant search results. Encourage satisfied readers to leave positive reviews, as these testimonials can significantly influence potential buyers. Leverage the power of social media to promote your ebook. Create engaging posts that highlight your ebook's key takeaways, share excerpts or quotes, and offer behind-the-scenes glimpses into your writing process. Run targeted ad campaigns on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach readers interested in your ebook's genre or topics. Consider collaborating with book bloggers, reviewers, and influencers within your niche. Offer free review copies of your ebook in exchange for honest feedback and promotion to their audience. Participate in online literary communities, forums, and groups related to your ebook's genre. Engage in discussions, answer questions, and share your expertise to establish yourself as an authority in your field and attract potential readers. Hosting webinars, online workshops, or Q&A sessions related to your ebook's topic can be an effective way to engage with your target audience, showcase your expertise, and drive traffic to your ebook's listing. Remember, ebook marketing is an ongoing process. Continuously experiment with different strategies, track your results, and adapt your approach to maximize your ebook's visibility and sales. Section 9. The journey continues. Staying ahead in the ebook game. Congratulations on successfully publishing and marketing your ebook. As you bask in the glow of accomplishment, remember that the journey of an ebook author is an ongoing one. The digital publishing landscape is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to emerging trends to ensure your ebook remains relevant and continues to attract readers. One crucial aspect of staying ahead is to continuously improve your craft. Seek out opportunities to enhance your writing skills, explore new genres or topics, and experiment with different writing styles. Attend writing workshops, join online writing communities, and read widely within your niche to stay informed about the latest trends and techniques. Stay abreast of the latest technological advancements and publishing tools. Explore new platforms for ebook distribution, experiment with different marketing strategies, and leverage data analytics to gain insights into reader behavior and optimize your ebook's performance. Engage with your readers and build a loyal following. Respond to comments and reviews, participate in online discussions, and consider offering exclusive content or promotions to your most dedicated fans. Building a strong author platform can significantly impact your ebook's long-term success. Finally, never stop learning and experimenting. The world of ebook publishing is dynamic and full of opportunities for those willing to adapt, innovate, and embrace new challenges. By continuously seeking out new knowledge, refining your skills, and connecting with your audience, you can ensure that your ebook remains relevant, engaging, and profitable for years to come. Embrace the journey, enjoy the process, and celebrate your successes along the way.